So we start off today's video with this beautiful platinum blonde melanated skin. This is from Steph the Barber, so you already know. Well, maybe you don't, but this man is a genius when it comes to doing the platinum style haircuts. He always seems to do it with like a faded cut, but the look is just pure perfection. And I love her outfits. Like, this is just screaming spring style. You got the bright colors, the gorgeous hairstyle, just vibes all around. Hello everyone, if you are new to the channel, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more gorgeous spring hairstyles. So here we have someone at the salon getting some color. Oh, she went with this beautiful honey blonde. Oh, wow. I love the layers that this cut has. The color just looks absolutely beautiful. Had a lot of dimension to it as well. So then we move on to the next hairstyle. We see somebody with a pixie. So she is showcased in many different ways as she has rocked out the pixie aesthetic. And sometimes when you switch over to the world of short hair, you just stay there. You mix it up with different colors, different lengths, but you are just staying in that short hair lane. And I love all of the variety that she is showing us there. Next up, we have another color transformation. Oh, looks like she went blonde too. So y'all already know, like during the spring, summer season, a lot of us like to go blonde. Like it's just, I don't know, it's just something about the color in the spring and summer months. And then we move on to this volumized 90s style bob. She's got the swoop bang on there in the front. I mean, I know she's showing us the outfit, but the bob was tea. And then we have a cute little pixie. This is definitely 90s classic pixie style here. Gorgeous. I mean, you can never go wrong with a classic anyway. And then we move on over to a crew cut transformation. So the client has some dreads. Oh, she's getting emotional cutting them off. I wonder how long she's been growing them. I mean, they're pretty long. And ooh, now she cried. She just an emotional wreck. I don't think I've ever seen a video where there were two cries in one video, but wow. She looks gorgeous. She's got the natural curls going here. A little hint of color. Makeup, everything looks gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed all of these hairstyle ideas that you can rock out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.